Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, remember that this is my personal experience using the product service, so your mileage may vary. In this video, we're taking a look at Peak.com, a platform that facilitates booking tours and activities. Peak offers a streamlined approach to finding and reserving experiences, ranging from thrilling adventures to more relaxed sightseeing tours. Their website, Peak.com, serves as a central hub where users can browse through a vast selection of options, filtering by location, date, price, and activity type. This allows for a highly customized search, ensuring you find the perfect experience to match your interests and travel plans. One of the standout features of Peak is its user-friendly interface. The platform is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, making the booking process smooth and efficient. Whether you're searching for a last-minute excursion or planning a detailed itinerary months in advance, Peak.com provides the tools and resources to simplify your search. They also offer robust customer support, available to assist with any questions or concerns that may arise during the booking process or even throughout the experience itself. Beyond just booking, Peak also provides valuable information about the activities and tours listed on their platform. Detailed descriptions, photos, and even user reviews are readily available, offering a comprehensive overview of what to expect. This transparency helps potential customers make informed decisions and choose experiences that align with their preferences. Moreover, Peak collaborates with local operators, ensuring a high standard of quality and often offering exclusive deals and access to unique experiences you might not find elsewhere. For tour operators, Peak offers a powerful suite of tools to manage bookings, connect with customers, and grow their businesses. This symbiotic relationship benefits both the traveler seeking memorable experiences and the businesses providing them. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting to explore the world, Peak.com is definitely a platform worth checking out. Their comprehensive selection, user-friendly interface, and commitment to customer satisfaction make them a valuable resource for anyone looking to book tours and activities. Remember to check out the links in the description below for more information.